When people talk about Kansas, the common opinion is that it's flat and boring. A flyover state. An endless sea of wheat and farms. But if you get off the interstate and explore, you will find a magnificent land of streams and rivers, beautiful lakes, and scenic ponds. A land of rolling hills and amazing hidden forests. Nowhere is this more evident than in the Flint Hills. We are fortunate to live in the heart of this region. While we haven't explored it all, we definitely have our favorite spots. And we're not the only ones. These are locations that no matter how many times we visit, continue to surprise us, fuel our thirst for adventure. The Flint Hills are a remnant of the Tallgrass Prairie that once covered the Midwest. Join us as we share our 5 favorite hiking locations in the Flint Hills so far. The first location on our list is Tuttle Creek State Park. Just north of Manhattan, Kansas, Tuttle Creek State Park is divided into 4 sections. River Pond, Cedar Ridge, Fancy Creek, and Randolph. With over 20 miles of trails, there is something for every level of hiker. From the paved Western Heritage Trail to the rugged Fancy Creek Mountain Bike Trail. Eagle Pass Trail in the River Pond area offers a first-hand view of the local bald eagle nest, making it one of our favorite winter locations. It's pretty nice in spring too. Next on the list is the Riverwalk Trail, located in our hometown of Junction City, Kansas. Following the course of the Republican River from Milford Dam, the Riverwalk is a 4.8-mile trail that is suitable for walking, jogging, biking, or taking the dog out for a stroll. We particularly like it for the bird watching opportunities, and it has featured in many of our Wildlife Wednesday videos. Some of the birds you will find are blue jays, cardinals, blue heron, and our favorite, bald eagles. Notice a pattern here? Next on our list is Milford State Park. Situated on Milford Lake, this park is a popular fishing and camping destination. But we also love it for the trails. Because of its close proximity to us, Milford is the site of many of our adventures, including our first ever family hike on Crystal Trail. No matter how many times we return, Milford always has a few surprises. Eagle Ridge Trail is a personal favorite of mine. Number 2 on our list is Tallgrass Prairie Biological Station. Owned by the Nature Conservancy and operated by Kansas State University, much of Tallgrass Prairie is dedicated to research. The 3 interconnected loop trails are open to the public from dawn till dusk. Our advice is to go at dawn when the locals are the most active. And the Kansas sunrise is on full display. And finally, our top spot for hiking in the Flint Hills goes to Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve. With over 40 miles of trail to explore, Tallgrass will transport you back in time to when the prairie was untouched and bison ruled the plains. The trails are open 24 hours a day, all year round, which is good because we plan to hike all of it. We're about halfway there. It's one of the 8 wonders of Kansas and a must-see if you're ever in the Flint Hills. We hope you've enjoyed our top 5 hikes in the Flint Hills so far. If you visited any of these locations or have suggestions on where we should go next, please leave a comment below. New to the channel, feel free to subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.